Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Ford Galaxy. Now this is high mileage but one company or one lease company owner, full maintenance printout and in superb condition. Okay, Galaxy 2 litre TDCi Zetec, Euro 6 ULEZ compliant, 2 litre diesel manual 7-seater, 134,000 miles. Says 2 owners on the logbook, it's the same lease company. Just had the cam belt and water pump replaced, has at least 8 services and a printout of lots and lots of maintenance. They really look after their vehicles. You'll tell by the video and the photos, they totally defy the mileage. This car could have done 40,000 miles. Okay, as you can see, metallic grey. Just had the cam belt, water pump replaced. Nice alloy wheels. Looks all original, doesn't look like it's ever had any paintwork. Rear park sensors, 7-seater obviously. Tyres in excellent condition, wheels and bodywork lovely. Not covered in stone chips. Front and rear park sensors. Super clean inside. Fitted mats throughout, black cloth seats, DAB radio, Bluetooth, climate control, 6-speed manual diesel, electronic handbrake, electric rear windows, mats are in the back as well, we've got them at work. Picnic tables that fold out. We'll show you the 6th and 7th seat, all in very nice condition. As I say, front and rear park sensors. Show you in the boot area. Very clean. Just been serviced, just had a cam belt and water pump. Wheels immaculate. Very good tyres. Daytime running lights. So electric windows, electric mirrors, multifunction steering wheel, folding mirrors. Buttons there. Multifunction steering wheel with voice control. 134,340 miles. Driver's seat immaculate, not worn. Beautiful. Okay, price £7,395 on a 2017. Drives like a new car. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk. That's our website. There will be other people carriers on there. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. If you would subscribe to our YouTube channel, you get a notification when we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You'd be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.